how to enable Gmail notifications on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Gmail notifications on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Gmail app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu that appears, you can just select settings, and after that you can just tap on general settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on manage notifications. And now here on the next section, you can simply toggle on the show notification option. And after that, you can simply select all to receive notifications for every new email. And yeah, that's it. If notifications are still not working, then you can open the settings app on your phone and then tap notifications and control center and then app notifications, and you can find Gmail and make sure that the notifications are turned on. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.